The book of Haggai is a significant prophetic text from the Hebrew Bible. It addresses the post-exilic community in Jerusalem, emphasizing the importance of rebuilding the temple and restoring their relationship with God. This presentation will explore its themes, historical context, and relevance today.
Haggai was written around 520 BCE, during the Second Temple period. The Jewish people had returned from Babylonian exile and faced challenges in rebuilding their lives and the temple. Understanding this context is crucial for grasping the urgency of Haggai's message.
The book of Haggai presents several key themes, including the importance of prioritizing God's house, the call to repentance, and the promise of divine blessing. These themes reflect the spiritual and physical restoration of the Jewish community.
Haggai emphasizes the sovereignty of God over nations and history. His prophetic words remind the people that their efforts in rebuilding the temple are not just a physical task, but a response to God's authority and command.
In Haggai 1 verses 7 to 8, the prophet urges the people to consider their ways and take action. This call to self-reflection and commitment to rebuild the temple signifies the need for spiritual renewal and dedication to God.
Haggai delivers a message of hope and encouragement, assuring the people that if they prioritize God's house, they will receive His blessing. This promise serves as a motivation for the community to persevere in their efforts.
The book of Haggai contains messianic elements, particularly in its references to the future glory of the temple and the coming of the desired of all nations. This theme points to the ultimate fulfillment in the person of Jesus Christ.
Haggai's messages about prioritizing God and the importance of community resonate with modern believers. The themes of restoration and commitment challenge us to reflect on our own spiritual lives and responsibilities within our communities.
The book of Haggai offers profound insights into the relationship between faith, action, and divine favor. Its themes encourage believers to take responsibility for their spiritual lives and to actively engage in God's work in the world.
In conclusion, Haggai's prophetic message remains relevant, urging us to prioritize our relationship with God and commit to the work He calls us to. The themes of restoration and hope continue to inspire and challenge believers today.